Okay, so today we're gonna make this Bose speaker here. Hold the iPod. There's no auxiliary port, but I found this video on YouTube and it said you can connect this cord on the inside through a circuit board in here. So I watched it. Then I had this other idea. I got these Bluetooth devices here. I found these on Amazon for $12 each. Coupler, 3.5mm jack here. And we will make this Bose docking station with a non-auxiliary to a Bluetooth port. Let's get started. These are the tools you need. A soldering iron, little screwdriver, Torx, because the assholes put the screws on here, they're Torx, and the rest of them are Phillips. Some of these, I got my remote. When we try it out, it'll still control the volume, it just won't control the item you have connected, but you have it wireless. Okay, so let's get started. Got here some Ghostman. I love it. Helps me relax, get through these projects. Anyways, so we have the Torx screws on this side, right here, and we have the Phillips here. So I'm going to remove these screws. Who the hell needs a screwdriver when you got a gun? So I got a magnet here that's holding my Torx. You have to take this off in order to get into here. Now we need the Torx. Torx driver. I don't know what number this is, but it works on these screws. And the reason why you have to remove this panel is because there's a ribbon connector in here. Here. So I always keep my parts, so I don't lose them. Alright. So we have this ribbon connector here. That wasn't supposed to happen, but it happened. Really, you're only supposed to remove this ribbon connector. Right here. I guess I know next time that's not connected. That should happen. But you always want to make sure you don't bend these on the way out. So these just come loose. See? You pull right out real easy. Nah, it won't be too bad getting that back in. I'll just wait till the end and we'll put this back in. Alright. I think we're missing one more rubber garment. Unless it's in there. Right. All my screws are here now. Don't worry about losing those. Okay. So it said, peel this square off very carefully. And now we have this. Each pin here is for something. So you count left and right. Let me go get the pin count. I have it written down somewhere. So we're gonna mark pins 13, 14, and 24. The pins are these little pins right here. It's left to right. You gotta follow them and track them down on the board and you'll find the view. 24 is the last one you can see here. You can actually see the numbers. That one's separated from the rest of them. So you can actually tell that one. I'm gonna mark that one in.
Stay in the cut, on the north side. Hollow points, trigger fingers on my fucking boat. Demons rising out the crib, I saw me a fact. Never gave a fuck. Grew up by the mud, full of then I found the trunk. Grew up with the fucking robbers, always got the mask on. Motherfuckers gon' die if we keep the mask off. Suicide when I ride, bitch, can't go to one shot. Most of it no react. Yeah, when I'm sleepy, holler that mystic motherfucker.
Alright, pause is gonna take a minute. Well, in the meantime, I need some really strong reading glasses to see this, because I lose count after like 5. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna strip this cord down here. Pick a side, the best side, I guess. Key. This one's starting to show metal, it looks like. I don't know if it's both of them. I'm gonna go with cutting this side off right here. Yeah, that's so small I can't even see it. It's gonna be fun soldering those wires on, but I have some really small solder here, so I can get a little micro dot. Also, I grinded the tip down on my soldering iron. I'm hoping that's small enough. It should be. You can see I gotta be able to solder to these contacts. So yeah, it should work. And then the Bluetooth is pretty much self-explanatory. It just connects to one side here, like you would connect into your device, like this. Except for I want it wireless, so I got a little coupler at a electronic supply store for $3, and this was $12 on Amazon. They actually work really good. They have about 100-foot range on them. I can put it in the center of my house and control the radio from my room, and we have speakers all around this house with different channels, but I'm able to control it anywhere. So for $12, it was a very good deal. Not too sure how to strip this wire down, but I'm just gonna go at it. I always like to leave a little bit just in case I use them later. Those are pretty small freaking wires, man. I don't know if we're gonna be able to use this one, but I'm gonna try. If not, I'm just gonna make another one. I think I have another piece. Whenever I cut these off, I always keep them. So, let's see if I can just do a little. Yep, there we go. This is what we wanted right here. Without damaging the wire. But these wires are coated, so no matter what, when they touch, they don't make contact. I'm assuming this one is the ground. You have a positive and the left and the right channel. So, in the video that I saw, these two right here to go to 13 and 14, and this one goes to 24, which is a ground. And on this board here, 24 is the common ground. You can actually see it if you look at the board. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in the soldering iron, get it warmed up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. I got this little tool I made right here that I can move the wire around. It stays where I want it. I sacrificed a little 5-volt light for it, but that's alright. First one, we're gonna go ahead and just put a little solder on these wires. This is a little drop. Pretty small contact. Of course, the flux needs to absorb into the tip because I did grind it down. It's kind of like a primer in there. I'm at the graded soldering, so I'm still learning this thing. So I just coated the end a little bit. I'll show you when I'm done. Just enough so when I get my solder on that board, I have something to stick to when I heat up both sides here. That one stuck pretty good. I'm getting like that on the other side. Really don't have the greatest steady hand, but it also helps that I have a little tool on there. Alright. Alright, so as you can see here, there's 3 wires. I put a little solder on the end of each one. It's kind of hard to see. But that's so they stick to the board when I get it down in there. We're going to see what's going on with that magnifying glass. And then we're going to get started with this. I like this little arm. Works out pretty good for me. I'm just saying I'm going to need it about right there anyway. That'll work. Down here. There's 4 right there, I think, right? Recording the thing right here. this right here. Yeah, 1-0. Two of these lower. So, one more of those. And they're 1-0. What's going on? How to make 2 ohms with 2 1 ohm resistors. Well. What can I do? What's going on? Oh yeah? What's going on here?
Hold on, let me fix it. Here, okay? Oh, no, I'm turning you up, I'll turn you down. Motherfucker. Alright,
Hi, Bonita. Hi. Well, I'm talking to you.
No.
Well, if you don't want to talk to me, it's cool.
I cried, sorry.
It's okay.
I don't know what's wrong with her.
It's alright. I'm
She's
working.
been in a talking mood.
It's alright.
I don't know.
Well, if you don't.
I got a lot of tea to do. My mom and Mark went to go do laundry. And I stood home. I hate going to the laundry, man.
I don't see why he doesn't just put one in the backyard.
He did have one in the backyard.
What happened to it?
I have no idea.
That's what I would do. I would just run the drain on the ground.
Yeah. Well, because of the water even that we use, it's causing a lot of sinkholes. We have about like 3 sinkholes in the back.
Really?
That I want to fill up because my son goes outside and plays, and I don't want her to be running around. First you have to clean everything, but I don't want her to be running around and
Fall in a hole?
falling in that hole.
Yeah.
I almost did because I didn't see it. Because there's a whole bunch of weeds and shit.
Yeah.
I almost stuck and fell. Damn.
I remember that. It was like that before, too.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. So this needs to read 2 ohms, and then I'm good.